In this video, we will cover how to operate your Vulcan ABC Combi for initial use. We will demonstrate how to operate, clean, and care for the unit. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Before first use. Burn-off procedure. Prior to the first use, the combi oven must undergo a burn-off procedure to release any odors that might result from heating. Follow these quick steps to complete the process. Remove any debris or packaging material from the unit, including the external laser paper shipped with the unit. Using a clean, damp cloth, wipe the inside of the oven and oven racks. Close the oven door. Switch the master power switch to on. Turn the thermostat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and allow the oven to cycle for 45 minutes or until no odor is detected. After the burn-off period is completed, you are now ready to use the oven. Operation. The ABC Combi controls are unique. Making a temperature selection will automatically select a default humidity setting to improve cooking performance. It's combi cooking made easy. ABC Combi controls. Now let's review how to use your ABC Combi controls. On-off switch. The on-off switch is used to turn the oven on and off. To power on the oven, set the switch to the on position. To turn the oven off, position the switch to the off position. Temperature display. The temperature display shows the set or actual cavity temperature. Temperature selector knob. The temperature selector knob is used to set or display the actual cavity temperature. Rotate the knob to raise or lower the set temperature. When the knob is rotated just one indent, the actual temperature in the oven cavity will be displayed and blink for 3 seconds. Timer display. The timer display shows the time remaining when set. Timer selector knob. The timer selector knob is used to set a timer. Rotate the knob to the right to increase and left to decrease the timer. A buzzer and flashing light indicates when the timer is complete, and the display will also blink 0 remaining time. Humidity display. The humidity display shows the set or actual cavity humidity. When checking actual humidity, the display may show a hyphen while the sensor is initializing within the first few minutes of powering on a unit. Humidity selector knob. The humidity selector knob is used to change set humidity or display the actual humidity. Rotate the knob to raise or lower the humidity. When the knob is rotated one indent, the actual humidity in the oven cavity will be displayed and blink for 3 seconds. If manual humidity adjustment is required, rotate the knob to adjust the setting. Combi usage tips. Combi cooking uses a combination of hot air and humidity and will improve results and reduce overall cooking times. Operator instructions are as easy as 1, 2, 3 for Vulcan ABC Combis. 1. Set the temperature. 2. Set the time. 3. Cook. Moving from traditional cooking to a combi is easy with the ABC. Cook just like before by setting your temperature and time. Just remember to reduce cook times 25 to 30%. In general, most combi oven cook times are faster because of the automatic humidity. Some items may cook much faster, but remember you can always add time. You cannot take it away. Because of humidity control, the combi oven can also be utilized as a standalone steamer. Set the temperature between 205 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit for general steaming, and adjust temperature based on desired steaming saturation levels. Higher temperatures equal lower steam saturation, while lower temperatures equal higher saturation of steam. Between 205 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, humidity settings will automatically achieve 100% at these temperatures and allow for all types of steam cooking. By manually setting the combi humidity to 0%, The Combi functions as a convection oven with no humidity being added to the cavity of the unit. As a reminder, always use filtered water from the provided Combi spray hose when adding water to rice, pasta, grits, or any food that needs water for the cooking cycle. Do not use unfiltered tap water from the sink when cooking or cleaning the Combi, as this can lead to contaminants and possibly void your Combi warranty. Important: water is a customer-supplied utility. A suitable water treatment system and regular filter replacements, coupled with routine cleaning and deliming, is essential to extend the life of your unit. Daily Combi cleaning. Cool down and soften grime. Set temp to 190 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to cool and soften grime in the cavity before cleaning with 100% humidity. Turn the unit off and rinse the oven cavity with filtered water from spray hose, ensuring all areas are wet, including the ceiling of the cavity. Using a squirt bottle or pump sprayer, apply Combi cleaner while the unit is off. An approved list of Combi cleaners can be found in your operation manual. After about 10 minutes, rinse the cavity, making sure to let the cavity drain between rinses. Manually wipe down the interior door glass and gasket using a soft, lint-free cloth with mild soap and water. Do not use deliming chemicals or anything abrasive on the glass or gasket. Also make sure to empty and clean drip trays. Deliming the cavity. Vulcan recommends deliming the oven cavity proactively based on your water quality, or when you see scale buildup in your oven cavity. Delime the cavity after cleaning is completed by spraying the inside of the oven with white vinegar or an approved deliming agent. Important: do not use hydrochloric or nitric acid-based delimers or any cleaner with chlorine, chloride, bleach, or sanitizer. These types of solutions or unfiltered water can lead to early degradation of the components and possibly void your Combi warranty. After application, let the product sit for 10 minutes with no heat. Proceed to rinse the oven cavity multiple times, making sure to let the cavity drain between rinses. After daily required oven cavity rinsing, always make sure to leave the cavity door open overnight. If you start to see discoloration, corrosion, or have questions, please contact your local Vulcan representative to ensure your water quality or cleaning procedure is adequate. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Combi Oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.